Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have site owner or edit permissions, so changes save correctly. Once done, open the team site from Sharepoint Home or the team's link to land on the exact page. Now choose the page to edit or click New Site Page to create one. This approach saves back and forth later because permissions and location determine which web parts and templates are available. Make sure you're on the right page before you begin editing. You click Edit to enter page editing mode, which exposes sections and web parts for direct manipulation. Next, add web parts from the plus icon, drag them to reorder, or remove anything that clutters the layout. This controls content flow and performance. Use section layouts and column settings to create visual hierarchy and responsive behavior, and configure each web part's properties for links, views, or audience targeting. By handling structure first, you avoid rework when tuning specific content later. You save a draft and use preview to verify layout on desktop and mobile before you publish. This prevents embarrassing live mistakes. After publishing, confirm people have access and review version history if you need to revert. If a web part fails or edits don't appear, check permissions first, then look at web part properties and console errors. If still stuck, clear browser cache or try a different browser to rule out local issues. That troubleshooting step often resolves most editor-side problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.